All right. Let's this lesson be interactive. So just give me a thumbs up or say yes. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Share. Okay, let's see. Okay, if you look at the screen, you can see that our focus today is definitely on comprehension. So what is narrative comprehension? Any idea, guys? Can you tell me what a non-narrative comprehension means? Anyone? Okay, if you are doing a comprehension and if it's a non-narrative comprehension, basically it means that the comprehension is based on factual facts and is relating to real world issues. That means it's a factual passage and it pertains to the real world, okay? And that's what we'll be doing later. Okay, for today's emphasis, of course, we are looking at literal paraphrase. Do you know what does paraphrase means? Okay, let's move on. Okay, basically, paraphrase means you're going to express the text in a comprehension passage in your own words. Basically, it's a restatement of a text, okay? So that it has the same meaning, but you put it in your own words, you paraphrase it, okay? So that's what you will be doing later, okay? For literal paraphrase, if you look at the screen, you need to know all this. The test of comprehension is at the literal level. You must identify the information from the non-narrative text. This is theory-based. I'm not going to spend too much time dwelling on this. We'll get to the actual comprehension passage shortly. There is a need to rephrase, and that's what I told you. Paraphrase, you have to rephrase. Need to use your own words, of course. And most of the questions for non-narrative comprehension are going to start with the 5 W's. In this case, who, what, when, where, whose, and 1 H. That's how. The last part explained fully in your own words, so that's not a big thing. Paraphrase, what it actually means here. Restate in your own words. Okay, let's look at an example. The parents were surprised to know that their children were forever quarreling in school. What is another word for forever? Students, can you tell me? What is another word for forever? Well, often, okay, not bad. Yes, I can accept that. Anyone, anything else? Good one, Chia. Okay, often, or the other one is always. What about the second sentence? The peace and quiet in the library was spoiled by the arrival of the boisterous students. Another word for peace and quiet. We're using synonyms, all right? You're replacing the text with a word or a phrase which gives the same meaning. So another word for peace and quiet. Anyone? Come on, guys, try. Wesley? Come on. Peace and quiet. What's another word for that? Let's see. I will take serenity, all right? Serenity is the right word, which is good. Not bad, serenity. Plus it, no, it doesn't sound good in this. The peace and quiet. All right. Peace and quiet in the library. The library is always very quiet. So you're looking at the peace. So it's tranquility or serenity. Yeah, serenity is the right word. Okay, there you go. All right. Let's look at how to paraphrase. Okay, this is very important, guys. When you do your comprehension, you use a synonym. You know what a synonym is, right? A word or phrase that has a similar meaning as another word or phrase, all right? So, and what's an antonym? Antonym is a word of opposite meaning. For example, if I say John is good, someone will say John is bad. So that is antonym, opposite. It's dry, it is wet. So there you go. So that's antonym, all right? Changing the sentence structure from passive voice to active voice and vice versa. Okay, these are things we'll be looking at shortly. So let's get to them. There you go. Let's do this exercise. Use a synonym to replace a word or phrase. Can you guys do this? Try it and give me the answer. We are not allowed to take the flash photography once the performance starts. We are dash. So not allowed. Yeah, my pen is not functioning because I think it has a problem date, so I'm not able to use it. So I might just repeat the words. We are not allowed, forbidden. But if we are forbidden to take, is that a proper word? I know forbidden. You're not forbidden to go to a place. You're not forbidden to enter the temple. But in this context, I think forbidden is not appropriate. If you go to a museum, they will say something like we are not allowed to take. Another word for not allowed is prohibited. All right, prohibited is a better word, or disallowed. Okay, starts. What's another word for starts? Come on, what's another word for starts? Once the performance starts, you replace that. Correct. Correct. Commences, begins. Well done, Wesley. Excellent. Okay, that's right. It's either commences or begins. All right. So remember, we are prohibited or disallowed to take flash photography once the performance commences or begins. Okay, so you got the answer there. What but? Question 2. My mother likes to take advantage of incredible last-minute pricing at the end of the annual sale. So how can you replace incredible? What's another word for incredible? Anyone? You can make a guess. Doesn't matter if you get it wrong. Extraordinary, no. Incredible. Another word for incredible is unbelievable. All right. So remember that incredible has got the same meaning as unbelievable. So I believe you know how to spell unbelievable. UNBELIEVABLE. That's unbelievable. So my mother likes to take advantage of unbelievable last minute pricing at the end of dash sale. Annual can be the same as, what's another word for annual? Yearly. Well done, Wesley. Pretty active. Very good. The answer is yearly. Good. Let's move on. Number 3. Come on, all of you try. It was a Herculean effort to. to help students understand the importance of punctuality in school. Come on. Importance, of course, I think it's pretty easy. You should know the other word. Almighty, no, almighty. It was an almighty effort. No, it's not, that's not that. Try another word. A simple word would be huge. Not backbreaking, okay? It was a huge effort to help students understand. Huge, or the other one is staggering, all right? So it was a huge effort or staggering effort to help students understand. I think the other part is easy. Importance. What's another word for importance? Come on, guys. To understand the importance. Come on. It starts with the letter S. Yeah, you're right. Significance. Good. So understand the significance of punctuality in school. Well done. That's good. Next, so you know how to spell significance, right? SIGNIFICANCE, which is good. Okay, staggering should be STAGGERING, staggering effort. Okay, question 4. National athletes in the program undergo rigorous training to compete at international level. Another word for rigorous training. Come on. You can start with the alphabet S. Strenuous, all right. Strict, not strict. Nothing to do with strict. Undergo strict. Rigorous, that means you put in a lot of effort, all right. Great effort. So it can strain you. It's strenuous. STRE, strenuous training. STRENUOUS. You can look at the chat box. I have actually spelled it out. Yeah, listed there. Strenuous. So national athletes in the program undergo strenuous training to compete at international level. So you're looking at worldwide. But you won't use the word worldwide. There's another word for that. It's not at worldwide level. Worldwide, another word is global, all right? You can't use worldwide here. At global level, all right? Global is the entire world. So the answer is global, all right? Good effort, Wesley. Okay, antonym is the opposite. Come on, you guys can do this. Okay, try question 1 and 2. The news that the auntie at the market shared is trivial. Trivial means what? Is it important? I believe you are correct. Trivial simply means not important, all right? So the news that the auntie at the market shared is not, because not is already given, so it's not important. So trivial is not important. So the opposite of not important is important. So the answer is important. So the news that the auntie at the market shared is not important is correct. Okay, next. It is imperative. But this is synonym. Huh? If you look at the bracket here, saw that? Synonym. That the students in school succeed. What's the opposite of succeed?